See how big that is? Yeah, it's pretty big, huh? I'm thinking it's gonna help with the pecs, right? You gotta be able to help you with getting groceries. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. So as you know, I am on my health journey. You might have seen the cardio video. If not, it's here. So now we're gonna do the weights because you can't have one without the other, right? I was told that weights are very important. I also heard that, you have to incorporate weights into your routine because, I don't know, it's necessary. And they also said that you won't look like a bodybuilder either if you just lift weights. So I have been doing weights in the gym I haven't been doing it that long, like maybe a year or so. I've been doing like all kinds of weights. And I've been afraid of free weights because I had a coworker and she dropped one on her foot, came into work with a cast, like, oh my God, I did not want that to happen to me. Anyways, I'm gonna do a couple little exercises. Tell me in the comments if I'm doing it wrong, how I can improve. And yeah, this should be fun. Maybe you'll learn something from me, I don't know. All right, let's go with the first one. Okay, so I think this one is called a shoulder press. If it's not, correct me in the comments, okay? I'm just gonna take it and lift it up. Right angle, I think they said. Up, down. But don't straighten your arm. It's so complicated. I also have just a 5-pound weight because they're free weights and I'm terrified of it falling on me. And then just switch. I feel like I feel something right in this area though. Would you guys let me be your personal trainer? Or would you fire me the first day? Okay, I feel it in my back. Able to lift you guys up. After doing these maybe 20 days straight. Like I said, I've been incorporating weights for like a year, but not consistently. And then when I do, I've been doing cardio on the same day. And I also heard, there's just like so much information out there, right? I'm not sure, somebody said you're not supposed to do cardio and weights on the same day. Other people say you can, I don't know. I don't know what the rules are. So if you need to, pause the video, measure this. See how big that is? Yeah, it's pretty big, huh? Hercules. Also, I'm thinking it's gonna help with the pecs, right? You gotta be able to, I'll be able to sing you guys a song. I'll sing you guys happy birthday when it's your birthday next. We're gonna do one at a time, right? And again, we're gonna try not to hurt our toes. These are birthday nails. Love them. Okay. Ooh. Am I doing that right? Mm-hmm. Bicep, not a bison. Although it wouldn't be a bad name for it, right? Working out my bison today. All right, I'm gonna switch it over. Again, I am still in like the new phases of like learning all this stuff on how to do it right. I know men, majority of them, they only use weights, right? Like a lot of men don't even do cardio at all. We are going to be strong. We're going to universal. We're going to do it all, okay? All right, on to the next exercise. Okay, the next exercise, maybe the last exercise, we're going to do bench press, okay? Okay. And we do like a right angle. So we don't go past, we just kind of maintain. So boom. And we try not to knock our teeth out. It's kind of hard in the beginning to, I don't know if you're doing the 90-degree, right? Like I can't see it, but just push. Oh, I feel the burn, guys. All right, let's do one last exercise. Okay, so for this next exercise, I'm not sure what it's called. I think it's like a tricep or something like that. Just like one knee. hand down, and then just raise it. Raise it up. I'm not sure exactly if I have the right form. If I don't, just correct me. Be nice to me, I'm trying. Other side. So with this one, I feel like the weight that I got is too light. I feel like I could do a little bit harder weight with this. Heavier weight, harder, heavier. Yeah, just pull it on up. So I'll help you with getting groceries. So that is where we're ending today's video. Leave some tips in the comments. Like, subscribe, hype up the video. Give me some recommendations. Also, you could join the Discord. I have that link in the description. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.